Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you. So this is one box that I've never ordered before, but I've seen so many YouTubers show on their channel and everything like that. So I figured might as well just try ordering one myself and seeing what happened. So this video isn't sponsored or affiliated with Stitch Fix in any way, but I ordered a Stitch Fix box. And you've probably already noticed that mine came pretty damaged, so I'll show a clip of that in just 1 second. But basically what Stitch Fix is it's a kind of like a styling box where you receive clothing in the mail. So you have to pay a flat styling fee, which I think is $20. I'll put it on the screen if that's incorrect. And then once you pay the $20, then you get to use that $20 towards one of the items in the box, and then you basically have to pay for the additional items that you want to keep. Anything else that you want to send back, you don't have to pay for. So that's a nice perk. So basically the baseline is you pay $20 and then it compounds depending on how many things you keep. So I purchased mine. I used someone else's promo code to get mine. I'll leave my promo code or like discount code if you want to use it down below if you're curious about this as well. And yeah, let's unopen it. I'm pretty curious to see what's going to come in this. I would describe I feel like my sweatshirt right now doesn't really describe my style, but probably more like classic, comfy, modern would be my style aesthetic. I'd say that's pretty accurate representation. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So again, as I just mentioned, my box did come damaged. You can see there's a pretty big opening there in the side. Kind of looks like the box got caught right there and then it just kind of dragged all the way through and opened it all up. I'm hoping that nothing fell out because I think I probably will end up having to pay for anything that fell out of the box along the way. So hopefully everything's in there. And then on the top of the box, I just covered up my address here. It's a little bit open, but I think that's just kind of a side effect of what happened over there. So let's open it up. So first up, it's a Daniel Rain. This feels like a polyester texture. Floral blouse. Folded sleeves, look like about 3/4 length. Next up is Pink Clover. This one's a color black sweater. Next up is this one is a cowl neck sweater. I'm gonna guess this one's a cardigan. Yep, a purple cardigan. And then lastly, a pair of 25 long jeans. I'm usually a size 26, and I'm pretty sure I put that in there, so we'll have to see if these fit. And then down here at the bottom, I think this describes how much each item costs, so I'm gonna wait to look at that one. And then lastly, I have my return address label, because you do get to return anything you don't want for free. So now I'm going to try on each one of these pieces. Okay, so here are the first two items. Sorry if it's really echoey over here in the corner. But first up we have this cardigan. It's a light purple with kind of like, it's almost like marled a little bit with a black color. So really pretty, really soft. It fits me really well. Then I have on the jeans, and these ones were the 25 long jeans. I was afraid they'd be a little too small, but they actually fit pretty perfectly. And I did mention in my box that I was tall. I'm about 5'11", so I need long sizes. And these ones were actually too long, so I had to cuff them a little bit. That actually makes me really happy because very rarely do you have jeans that are too long when you're tall. But yeah, here's the back, the sweater. Really cute. Overall, I would wear this sweater. I would probably actually even buy myself this sweater in a store. These jeans, I would wear them. I don't know if I would necessarily pick them out for myself. I should also mention too, they're more like a jegging material, so like a thick legging with pockets like jeans. I already do have a lot of black pants, so I don't necessarily know if I would pick these out or purchase them, but we'll see what the price is. So I'm just gonna leave on the same jeans, but this is top number 2. When I initially took this one out of the box, I loved it. This is very much my style. Also, I wonder if somewhere in my style quiz I put in that my favorite color is purple. I don't, it's gonna sound strange, but I don't remember typing that in, but somehow they knew that. Maybe I did type it in. But this is like a cow neck. There's a little tie right here. The top part is almost the same texture as that cardigan. So 10 out of 10 for the fabric. Here's the back of it. I like this top a lot. It makes me nervous because now I want everything. And this is the last sweater that I got. So this one, again, it's that same purple material. It's really soft. These are all labeled as different brands, but they all have almost identical purple fabric. So I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. Over here on the side, we have a little button detail. They're fake buttons. And then just nice color block style. Here's the back. And this actually is another sweater that I would buy for myself and wear regularly. So another win. Oh yeah, there's buttons on this side too as well. So this is really cute. I probably could use one size smaller, but it's okay. It's comfy. And then here is the blouse. So I kind of knew right when I took this one out of the box that this wouldn't be something I would wear. Mainly because I don't like the color really on me. And then also I don't like 100% polyester blouses. They just don't wear well with me. So yeah, this one's a no for me. But all in all, I liked everything else. So let's sit down, I'll guess the prices and we'll see how much everything costs. Okay, so I decided to sit over here to go through the prices because I feel like the lighting is just a little bit better. So next to me I have my items. There were the 3 purple tops, which I liked all of those. I did realize two of these are the same brand. The striped one and the cow neck one are the same brand. So that makes sense why they're using the exact same fabric. This one's a different brand though. Okay, so I have the jeans and the blouse. The jeans I was a maybe, blouse no, and then the 3 sweaters, all of which I liked. So guessing prices now. When I filled out the survey thing, it asks you what your preferred price range is. And for every single item, I think I put the lowest option, which was like less than $50. So I would hope that all of these things are that. The only one that I can see them overcharging for would be like jeans. Also, I've watched other people's Stitch Fix videos and I do know that the prices tend to be a lot higher than I expect them to be. So I'm gonna guess like $60 on these jeggings. Maybe like $40 on this blouse. And then cardigan, maybe 50. And then the 2 sweaters, 40 and 40. So those are my guesses. Let's see how I did. Okay, so I really was pretty close. So first, the jeans, I overestimated. These jeans are $49. Then, button detail. I'm gonna guess that's this one. The top with the button details on the sides, this one's $42. Next up, we have Market and Spruce, this one. The cardigan, cardigan's $44. The split neck blouse, $68. So that's pretty exciting that I guessed that I did like the most expensive items. That's exciting. And then this mock neck top over here is $44. So everything in this pile was less than $50, so that is exactly what I asked for. And then this one was more, but this one also isn't my style, so that's okay. So if I did buy everything in my box, the total is $247, and then if they give you a 25% discount if you buy everything, so after the discount, that would be $185. And then I got a credit for using someone else's promo code. So now it's basically, what do I keep and what do I not? So I think I'm not gonna keep the whole box because this shirt costs more than the discount I got. Yeah, the shirt cost $68, discount was only $61, so even though the shirt would only really cost me a couple of dollars, I'm not gonna keep it. So I'm just gonna end up keeping these 3 tops right here because these are perfect, comfy, cozy tops for the winter weather we're having right now, and send these 2 items back. So again, if you want to try Stitch Fix, I do have my promo code linked down below so that way you could save off the box you're trying out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I'll see you next time.